This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the LD Micro Invitational 2019 in Bel Air, California. With me right now is Mike Stebbins from Trutankless. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is TKLS. Mike, welcome to SNN.Live.
Thanks so much for having us.
It's great to have you on. So for our audience, to start off with an overview of the company, go from there.
Well, we manufacture an electric tankless whole home water heater, and we can't be more excited to be here and tell you about it.
Cool. So let's get a history of the company. When did it start, and how did you develop to where you're currently at today?
Well, we started the project as really a back of the napkin sketch. I was familiar with the product category. There was a lot of technical issues that we wanted to solve, so we hired some really smart engineers, and they helped us bring the concept into reality.
So tell me a little bit more about the product itself and how it's different and unique in the marketplace.
Well, when you think of a hot water heater, you typically think of a large tank that's sitting there holding a large amount of hot water, and that's extremely inefficient. And we're the last continent on the planet that does it like that. In Asia, you have tankless water heaters. In Europe, you have electric tankless water heaters. But in the U.S., we have 125-year-old technology, and it was just time to be done with that and move on. So gas tankless manufacturers have had a lot of success bringing a better product that's more efficient to the market, and we saw a huge opportunity for an electric whole home tankless.
So Mike, how does your product work, and do you have any IP patent protection on it?
We do. We have 34 patents granted, and the product is superior to the other technologies out there because it heats the water as it goes through the system, so it only runs when there's demand, and it'll run all day long. I have 4 kids, and I never have to worry about running out of hot water, so it's great.
So where are we at currently in the company's operations? You know, are we selling this already to market, or is it still in the development phase?
Yeah, we're in the market, and we're being very well received in the markets that we've been focused on. But the opportunity for us to grow into new markets with additional boots on the ground is just tremendous.
And what is the total addressable market for your product?
Water heaters are a $4 billion industry, and about half of that is electric, so that's why we saw such an opportunity with this product category.
And what's your background? I mean, how'd you get into all this?
Lifetime ago, I was in the wholesale distribution channel, which is part of our competitive advantage is going through that channel as opposed to big box, because most people are going to call their plumber, and the plumber doesn't go to the big box Home Depot type of company. They go to, a plumbing warehouse, and so that's where we distribute our products. And like I said, we've done quite well in our target markets.
And from what you can tell me as a public company, what are some of the company's growth drivers now moving forward?
Well, what I can say is just organically, without having really grown the sales force, we've been able to double revenue from 2017 to 2018, and we just had a very good first quarter.
And where can our audience go and find more information about Trutankless?
You can go to trutankless.com to find out about our products, and there's a wealth of information out there about it.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the LD Micro Invitational 2019 in Bel Air, California. With me again is Mike Stebbins from Trutankless, publicly traded company. The symbol is TKLS. Mike, thank you for joining me today.
Thanks so much.